Ever wondered if your Roku device supports IPTV services for streaming everything you need? Let's dive right in. To start, it's essential to understand what IPTV is and how it works with devices like Roku. Though Roku doesn't natively support IPTV apps, there are ingenious ways to access IPTV content. One popular method involves screen mirroring from your smartphone, which works efficiently with Roku devices. Another option is using third-party apps that allow you to stream IPTV content through Roku streaming sticks. The question remains, how do you choose the best IPTV provider for your viewing pleasure? Allow us to introduce 2TV.store, a top-rated provider offering extensive channels and excellent streaming quality. 2TV.store gives users reliable access to a diverse range of international and local TV entertainment options. Roku users can enhance their IPTV experience by configuring their home network for optimal streaming conditions. It's vital to have a stable internet connection to prevent lag and buffering while watching your favorite shows. Venturing into IPTV through Roku is easier with the right provider and a few setup tweaks on your device. Curious viewers can start with a trial from 2TV.store to ensure it fits their viewing needs perfectly. Roku can be a powerful tool in your streaming arsenal when paired correctly with IPTV services like 2TV.store. The seamless blend of Roku's interface and IPTV channels results in a premium home entertainment experience. What are you waiting for? Transform your viewing experience by embracing the IPTV revolution with Roku. Experience streaming quality like never before and make every TV moment memorable with Roku and IPTV.